Hello everyone and welcome once again. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to forget that Wi-Fi network. In Windows. But before I continue, let's do something important. Please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it if you do, and if you have already, thank you so much. It really helps. Now let's continue. Forget data usage in Windows. Now, forget data usage actually means resetting the network data usage statistics for a specific network connection or for all networks. This means Windows will start tracking data usage from zero again, effectively erasing the previous recorded data. Now this is good because it gives you a fresh start. It helps if you're experiencing data usage tracking issues, so it helps you troubleshoot it, and it also helps to protect your privacy by removing information about your past internet activity. But it also has some disadvantages: data loss, limited control, because you can only forget for a specific network type like Wi-Fi but not for individual networks. So even though it is good, it is very important to weigh the pros and cons before forgetting data usage. So that's how I meant forgetting Wi-Fi network. Sorry. So because it will permanently erase your previous data usage information. So, but if you still want to go on with this, no problem. Let's go on with this. The first step you need to take is to forget your data Wi-Fi network on Windows. Open settings by pressing Windows key and I at the same time. Then, sorry, I was doing something before now. That's why it's going to that place. Let's close that first. Let's remember to close your stuffs. Now, Windows and I. So to open up your settings and then click on network and internet, and from here click on Wi-Fi. In this left hand over here, click on Wi-Fi and then click on manage known networks. There it is, manage known networks. Click on it and that's it. Now we've got to manage networks. The next we're going to do is to find the network you want to forget in the list. Click on it and select forget. Let's say I want to forget, let's say this one. Click on it and click on forget and it's gone. It's as simple as that. Now if you want to reconnect, this is optional, to the network again. Select it from the list of available network and enter your password. So if you want to reconnect it, you can now go back, when you scan it, and then the usual way of connecting. That doesn't really matter right now. What we want to do is successfully forget, not reconnect. So we've forgotten it, but in case you want to do reconnect, okay, fine. Click on the show available networks and then you now reconnect to it. It's as simple as that. It shows among here, then you connect to it. So that's it. Now a shortcut to this also is from here. Click on notification over here and then click on Wi-Fi network here and then click on network and internet settings, and it brings you over here. And that way to get there. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. I know you did find it helpful, so do not forget to ring the notification bell and don't forget to follow the steps. Once you do that, you can successfully forget a Wi-Fi network on your Windows device. See you next time. Bye for now.